Tuna hian Ansal Plaza panin kan kal mek ani. So lai so ra thata tang son Ansal Plaza mall chu lo lang tak kal mai le lai kong ni kan cross don ni. Hi guys, this Ansal Plaza mall. Hey Ansal Plaza nya. It is in Delhi and this mall is the first major mall in Delhi and it was opened on 1st November 1999. Hey hi Ansal Plaza mall nya hi Delhi a oma. He mall hi kum sang khazakwa songkwa pakwa November ni khat khan an hong via anwa me helai mall hi ma se tlem chuan a reve deuh hlek to ngai sak a hlo lo deuh hlek to a chuwang chuanin he a hmun te pawh hi tlem chuanin alang hlui ve deuh hlek to he anal me a mall hi he in mu thayang hian a om dan chu train shape ang deuhin om hi mo he tan he train shape ang deuhin om ma he tu shang te point lo kala thla te an la a shooting te nei ve thina helai hmun a hianin kan en chan te dewang chau he train hi ang ve me om dan hi he akwal ru me a shape hi train ang deuh han an duan be as you can see it hey in huang hian so akwal de ura me tan helai han a thut thei boka hey aram chang me ni han thuta thilei pa han thut vel te kha aram chang khop me he lai mola hian ni anwa akwal right me ni mol dang ang lo takin thuna tur ria te hi azawi me a anwam hle mai no tops. Ay basement niya, hey parking area niya. Tahan car sang khat aleng thei ni. Hey azan wam he mai